Leave it to me catch a fucking stupid ass rock bass. Bro, and I knew I was like, I keep feeling these low ass strikes.
I haven't seen one in a little minute.
New species for the year there. Look at him, he's camera the fuck down. Hey, that counts, right? A species? That's 2. What we say? 10 piece? Mm-hmm. I bet. That's a deuce. I keep getting like a lot of low ass tiny strikes though. I might put on the 2-inch joint and just catch 10 rock bass. Please be a walleye.
Another rock?
Smallie. 3 back-to-back casts. Bruh. Bro, these joints be drawing. Bro. These joints be drawing, bro. Bro, my rod.
I don't know why you reeled it in so close. Hold on, look at that. Let me see the side of it.
Hurry up. Big boy. Please be a walleye. What's that?
6.
4 for the fat, bro. Huh? What?
We both got. I
No.
got 2 Smallie.
No. All right, brother. Fuck it. Free yourself. Oh, you're not going to?
You got a jig at?
Fuck no. Number 4. 2 Smallies. 2 dink ass rock bass. First one I got on a mare, by the way. He hit that bitch like 5 times too. I ain't gonna lie, that was a nice fight because he got it out there in the, you know what I'm saying? tank. Fucking tank. Oh my God, that's a big boy, bruh. Big boy, y'all. Look how he fucking wanted it.
Holy shit, dude.
Can you help me?
Bro, that's your PB. Damn, someone burnt the fuck out their clutch.
Here, bro, try to get that out. Oh, hold up, I got pliers, Cause I don't want to fuck my jig head up, chill. It's like my last one. Hey, bro, help me. Hey, bro, please, bro, help me real quick, bro. Here, hold this bitch, bro. No. I just want a measure cut, bro. That probably is my PB, bro. That might be like an 18. Damn. That's probably like a 17 incher.
Dude. I'm sipping on whiskey, I'm feeling it now. So, mommy, I'm sorry for letting it down. Looking up some comments on how to be proud.
Over, I can't even weigh it. Lay that joint down for me. That's a fucking big.
Damn, he's on, like, what is that, summer 17?
Pinch the tail? Yeah. He's like 17, fuck. What is that? Number 6?
7. You had 4, now you got 5.
Number 5 for me. 3 smalls, 3 small jaws, 2 rocks.
What did I have?
Barge bite, watch. Zach! Oh my God, Zach! Help, bro! Zach! 5-pounder! Bro, help me, bro! Maybe not 5, bro, but this bitch is at least... Bro, he's giant, bro.
Get him back. Drag.
Could you reach him? Bro, don't break my rod. Whoa! Oh, you fucking... Oh, nigga! Bro, I thought that was a fucking carp!
Holy shit. I need a picture of that too, though.
I'm scared to pick this son of a bitch up. Ooh!
Oh my god, bro. That's bigger than any large I think you've caught, bro. Holy shit. Bro, pull the weight out. Pull the weight out.
What weight?
It's just not working? Ooh!
This?
Bro.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. I'm about to leave, actually. Oh, when did I say that? All right, here I come. I didn't expect them to be up this early. All right, here I come. All right, like I'm literally about to come right now, though. Like literally. All right, late. Oh my God, what is this? Look, hey, bro, I'm the species god. All right, love you, bye. Come on, we out. That's 10.